Hi everybody, Whitney Magnuson here with some shabby chic style cards. Today I'm going to be using the March 2020 Whit-Kit. This is a kit curated by me each month, and it is a card making kit. So each month it's going to come with a stamp set, a paper pack, and then some coordinating embellishments and supplies. And this is $40 and it includes the shipping to the US. So this month's kit has Wildflower Wonders, an amazing stamp set here, some bold words with some kind of vintage florals around them. And then we have a large paper pack. So this paper pack is all burlap and lace textures, just really neutral colors, colors you're going to reach for over and over again, and it is a large paper pack. We've also included this Tim Holtz Distress tool. So what this does is it adds kind of a roughed up edge to paper, and you can also do the same on ribbon. So it's just kind of an essential tool to have in your collection. We also have Nouveau Crystal Glaze. This is kind of like a glossy accents. It adds a clear dimensional over the top of stamped images. And then finally we have some pearlescent confetti sequins. So these supplies are going to be awesome for creating cards together and then just adding them into your collection for using and creating other cards too. I think it's going to be really awesome. So I went ahead and I pulled out one of the papers that I'm loving, just kind of a lace texture. And I'm choosing one word. I'm going to end up making a trio of cards, but I'm just going to show you one and then you kind of get the idea for the layout. So I went ahead and I die cut out a white sheet of cardstock, and then I'm kind of positioning this pattern paper on the bottom half of the cardstock. Just kind of, it's going to be split in half. And then I'm going to run this back through my die cutting machine. So if you want to make it easy, you could do this all in one step. Just kind of position the pattern paper and the white together and then die cut it once. We're just going to go ahead and adhere that little strip of pattern paper to the bottom half and then rough up those edges. This is kind of a shabby chic style card, and I wanted to lend to that vibe. I then pulled out some gold washi tape in my collection, kind of something I figured a lot of people might have in their collection already, just to kind of split up that card panel and add kind of some definition. I'm then going to stamp the hello using my Gina K amalgam ink, and I'm using amalgam ink today. It's a hybrid ink that works well with Copics and other coloring mediums, and I am using a variety of Copic markers today, which are alcohol markers. And just keeping the coloring really simple. These florals are super dainty, really easy to color up. I just wanted to add a little bit of color to these florals so they pop a little bit off of our card panel. So at this point, I was going to add a little greeting on the side and decided against that. I just kind of liked the hello, and so I'm moving on to adding my embellishments. I decided to just use the glossy accents as my adhesive, and it worked out great. And I'm just using those confetti sequins in an odd number, so it's more pleasing to the eye. And then I'm taking that glossy accents and I'm going completely over all of the florals and those bold letters just to kind of give that dimensional glossy look to our stamped part. So this is kind of what it's looking like when it's done off camera. I went ahead and added some ribbon and some gold splatters, and I'm loving the way that these trio of cards turned out super easy and really fun, clean and simple. Thanks for watching.